Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the ACHOICE P1 headphones. This has a low latency game mode, and we'll show you how that works in just a moment. Cool lighting on the sides. Now it doesn't do wireless charging, but it does have USB-C. Shows you the charge level with these lights. It's 4 dots on either side. And then here are the earbuds right here. So the gaming mode has a 45 millisecond Bluetooth connection. This uses Bluetooth 5.3, has somewhat of a clear case right there. And then here are the earbuds. Comes with earbud pieces in the box, so it's ready to make a connection right there, as you can see. They're very small. I've been using them for about a week now. Has pretty good audio quality. I do like the game mode option. There isn't any active noise canceling, but these tips fit into the ears pretty well, so it does block some noise. And here it will show you right here in the manual that it has a game mode, and you just tap and hold on either of the touch sensitive areas of the earbuds right here, and it turns it into game mode for that lower latency, high effective hearing during games. And this is the case. Again, I like the case, nice design, something a little different than just all black or all white. It's a little bit of clear, a little bit of black, and they offer this in a couple of different colors. This is the ACHOICE P1 earbuds. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.